Good afternoon, everyone. I hope that you guys are doing well. This is the video for Module 1 for our course, Spanish 202 of the fall 2019. So I do want to give you guys a little bit of information about our D2L site. You can always find my information here. I'm the instructor, Stephanie Brock Gonzalez. My email is snbrock@email.arizona.edu. You can access the virtual textbook by clicking down here, VHL Central. It will take you to Imagina, the 4th edition, which is the online virtual text we'll be using for this course. So let's go ahead and go down to content. The first thing I want to show you are the important due dates that is in our table of contents. And this will give you an outline of the course so that you're able to see what is due in each module. As I said, this is going to be for Module 1, so you'll see all of the information that we have to complete before then. You should complete the introduction video in VoiceThread by Sunday, September 8th. The syllabus quiz also by September 8th. The first oral presentation, which will also be in VoiceThread, is due on Sunday, September 29th. And the VHL activities, partner dialogues, will always be due Sundays at 11:59 p.m. Please note that all of these are on Mountain Standard Time or Tucson time. So please make sure if you're living somewhere else that's outside of Tucson, Arizona, that you know the time difference, the time zone difference, and you're able to complete them by 11:59 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. If you ever get any questions about the difference between where you are and what time it is in Arizona, on our D2L page, we have here the official University of Arizona time. Okay, so let's understand what are these different activities that we have to complete. Under Module 1, you'll see you have the syllabus quiz. So you'll basically go access our syllabus, which is under Start Here, and then you'll complete the quiz, and this will give you an automatic grade. Then you will head into VoiceThread. And here in VoiceThread, you'll see my video. So please watch my video, leave a comment on my video, upload your own video, and watch 2 other classmates' videos and leave a comment in order to get full credit. So I'll go back here to our Getting Started page, and it gives you all of this information here. 3-minute video of yourself. Okay, we're able to get you know you better. Here are the steps that you need to follow. You do need to respond orally, and you ask them questions or comments by making, or you ask them different questions by making comments. And if you look here, I have submitted to you guys a guideline that will help you when you're submitting to VoiceThread. So it's basically directions how to create your own. The most important things to remember is when you are saving your VoiceThread that you do share and return to course. Because oftentimes you think, well, you click save, but you need to share the video with the course. So here's the first step of what it should look like, and it'll open up another box that says Submit Share. And that way I'm able to view it, because if I am not able to view your video, then I'm not able to grade it, and you will receive a 0 for the assignment. Okay, let's make sure that we all know how to do a comment. That would be an oral comment. So here is my video, if it will load. Thread. Okay, let's try again. Okay, so here is my video. You would watch the video, you would click here, and then you would add here orally, or you can do a webcam video. The most important thing is that you're responding to the videos of myself and also of the other classmates. You are able to complete this in English. Okay, so this will be the only assignment that we're going to be completing in English, and that will be due on September the 8th. Okay, also here in Module 1, we have the partner dialogues. Okay, And this goes through all of the information for partner dialogues. I've also posted a video here on all the information you will need for that. That video is also available on our course home page here. So I'll always post all the videos either on our homepage and different areas throughout the website so that you're able, through our D2L site, so you're able to get that information. The last thing that we're going to be having for Module 1 are the presentaciones orales. Let's go here, and here it will give you all of the information that you will need. We are in Spanish 202, so it should be 5 minutes in length. And I will be discussing this a lot more in detail once we get closer to the time that we need to turn this in. One thing that we will be having every Sunday are our VHL activities. So this is basically your homework. And you can see when we go to our D2L, or I'm sorry, our VHL site, right? Go here to calendar. And every Sunday we do have assignments due. So make sure that you're working on this throughout the week. Our first activities, which is going to take about 3 hours estimated time, is going to be due on September 8th, and it gives you all the information here. And I will be uploading these grades by unit. So here we're in Unit 6. After we have completed Unit 6, we'll move on to Unit 7, and then I will post your guys' grades for Unit 6. So this is what we have coming up for this month. Every Sunday in September, we do have VHL activities due. So this is the information for Module 1. Please let me know